Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Welcome everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. I'm your host Juan da Costa, and today we're gonna prepare not one, two beautiful cocktails. Really refreshing, classy, and we're gonna enjoy it. First of all, we're gonna prepare the Kiwi Martini and the famous Appletini. They are really alike. We're gonna make them in parallel. So this time, what we are gonna use. First of all, our base, that is the vodka. The second one we're gonna use for the Kiwi Martini, Kiwi Liquor, apple liqueur, a little bit of sugar, lemon, fresh squeeze, an apple, and a kiwi for decorations. I have a second kiwi here just to help me to be faster. Yeah, it's already peeled. So first of all, we're gonna work with 2 Boston glasses for the shakers. We're gonna place it down and we're gonna start with our jigger. We take first the 4 centiliters of vodka. Really nice, really sweet, we can do it. So we put it in the first one, 4 centiliters inside, and the second one, 4 centiliters inside. A second one, we're gonna use the lemon. For the lemon, we're gonna use the other side, and we're gonna add only the 2 of them. Yeah, so 1 full small side. 1 in this side, and 1 in this side. As you can notice, they are really parallel recipes. That's why we are doing both of them. As third, we're gonna use only 1 centiliter of sugar, so it's not so acid. Also, we take our jigger, we check 1 centiliter inside, and again here, 1 centiliter inside. And now here comes the beautiful part. We're gonna add the main liqueurs that is gonna give us the flavor. The first one is gonna be a green apple. We put 2 centiliters of it in one. Remember, the one in the left is gonna be the apple. And now with the green one, we're gonna put the kiwi. Before I start shaking, as I always forget, I'm gonna put some ice to chill the glasses. This time we put like nice ice cubes, and we fill it up with regular ice, our shakers. Remember, more than above the line, it's important to have it. Yeah, it's the water of the ice that it's gonna dilute it, and it's gonna give it a nice flavor and combine it everything all together in nice flavors and textures. I love hunting for the ice, as you can see. I only need 1 more ice. Okay, let's put a big one. Now we're gonna cover both. We adjust our tins and let's start shaking. I do it with both hands. I'm gonna do it first only with one hand so you can see it. In the same way, we put the fingers down, 1 thumb in the top, so we can start shaking. Okay, front and forward with small circles. So with the time you will be able to do this, I'm pretty sure. You grab them from here and you start shaking, not dancing, because sometimes can go down. Yeah, so we shake them. One is open, that's what I meant. We check that it's closed. We shake it. And again, we're gonna take care of our tins that are sweaty. We can see in this one, it's already sweaty. And the second as well, it's sweaty. We're gonna open them. And we're gonna double strain. We use the big strainer first, and down we're gonna put the other strainer. We dispose the ice that we use to chill the glasses. So we make it step by step. Here we go. See, again, all the extra small ice is held here in our strainer. And now for the second one, we're gonna do the same. What a beautiful color. So now let's go to a part that everybody's interested. How we decorate this. Yeah, for this we're gonna use two decorations. The apple for the Apple Martini and our kiwi. I have a kiwi already peeled and shaved so you can see it. Yeah, let me put it here in the middle so you can really appreciate it. We're gonna start with the kiwi. We just take a nice slide. We make a diagonal cut and we put it in the rim of the glass. Just press it a little bit and it's inside. And now for the apple, we're gonna make a cut straight and a second cut to have it really nice. Yeah, it's not so thin, has to be a little bit thick so it looks better. It's only for the view and you can eat it as well. And also we put it here in the rim. And well guys, so here are our cocktails. We start trying the Apple Martini, also known as Appletini, and it's amazing. And now the Kiwitini or Kiwi Martini. Cheers guys, enjoy. Delicious.